Ako po si Felix Morada, DTF operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Na may 88 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito po ang capping. 50% pa naman good condition to. Head clean natin. Una swiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Base ink na linis ng Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po ang nagamit sa ink magenta. Cleaning solution. Yellow. White ink. Film. Cyan. Black. Powder. Printer daily checklist. Weekly consumption, inventory, workload, checklist na monthly. Maraming salamat po.